Hello guys, so welcome and welcome back to Python basic series. We are still in part 4 of Python basic series, that is the control flow. We have talked about the if else statement, if else statement. We have talked about the nested if. So now in this video we are going to talk about ternary operator or the statement, whatever you can call it. But what if I tell you there's a way you can write a more concise code while you are writing the if else statement? So we are going to write the if else statement in a one line. That's what I call it, more concise. So this is the syntax. The value if true comes before the if condition. That means the value to be printed if the condition is true is always written as the first. Then we have the if condition, then the else which will print the value in false. It's a different syntax when you compare to other programming languages. This is the syntax for ternary operator of the statement in Python. For example, let's say we have an event. This event can be attended by under 18 and over 18. That means if someone is 18 or above 18, we pay a particular value or a certain amount for a ticket. And if a attendee is below 18, is going to pay a particular amount of money on that ticket. So we can use this, how we can write it in if. For example, let's take the age from user input, enter your age. So we're going to convert that value by the user into an integer because we need it to be in integer form. So then we are going to check the value if age is greater than or equal to 18, print $500 like that. Else, that means the age of the user or someone who entered the age is under 18, we're going to charge 200. So that's how we do it in if else. So let's run. Enter your age, you're 18. So your ticket amount is $500. So if someone enters 17, your ticket amount is $200. So we are going to write this code in a one line using the ternary. This is how we do it. So print that is the string to be printed if the condition is true, if age is greater than or equal to 18, else I'm going to print this one like that. So we can just omit this. So let's test. Enter your age 18. The ticket number is. Isn't that amazing? So that's how you can do it's another way you can do the if else statement in Python. So this is called a ternary operator. For example, maybe you could be getting a ticket amount whenever someone enters a value. For example, you can state this as ticket amount is equals to. So if someone is above 18, so we are going to get 500, otherwise we are going to get 200. So then we can print the ticket amount like that. So let's test that. 18, see, 500, 15 and 14, 200. So that's all about the ternary operator of the statement in Python. It's an easy way to write the if else statement in Python. And that's all for the video. See you in the next video. Thank you.